I'm so excited to get married! Sigurado magiging compatible kami.
I'm so excited to get married. I know, magiging compatible kami.
May kausap palagi.
Someone to talk to all night long.
Early morning cuddle.
Early morning workouts.
Spending holidays sa family ko.
Of course, holidays with my family.
Magkakaroon kami ng isang bibong bata at 2 mababait na girls.
We'll have 3 little dudes running around.
Kailangan ko bang lang i-check yung FB account niya?
Kailangan ko bang i-share yung Facebook account ko?
Kailangan ko bang i-friend ang in-laws ko?
Do I need to consistently greet my in-laws?
Merong maglalaba para sa akin.
Someone to do my laundry.
Stay home, mom.
Yes, double income.
Sweet foods.
Everything healthy.
Long trip.
Moving in the house.
Meet my family.
Yes, meet our friends.
Comfortable shirt.
Night dress and silk pajamas.
Ay, ang talino talaga niyan at napaka-confident niya.
Hi, paano kaya maging father and a good husband?
Sigurado magiging masaya kami.
I'm so excited. We're gonna crush it on being a great couple.